Hello guys, this is Shu channel. Today I want to talk about 3 good things in the Philippines. Let's go. And one is people's characteristics in the Philippines. It's, I think, the best point in the Philippines because people are so kind and friendly, and they usually have bright characteristics, which I really love. And second is that warm weather. So you can obviously see I'm wearing a lot of clothes because the temperature is cold. I think now it's 7 Celsius degree, so that's so cold. But you know, in the Philippines it's always summer, I feel. Some of my English teacher says it's winter season in the Philippines, but I don't think it's like winter. It's usually summer. And third one will be good taste street food. I think for Japanese it's rare to eat street foods, but I prefer to eat that because it's cheap and also taste is nice. My favorite is what? My favorite is chicken's intestine, you know. Yeah, I love that one. And we also have similar kind of taste in Japan, but more expensive. I think it's cost how much? I think 400 yen, so that means 180 pesos, I guess. So yeah, so and in the Philippines that the barbecue cost how much? 8 peso, like that. So yeah, I can easily afford that with, you know, something light. So that's why I really love it. Yeah, so those three points are my good point I observed in the Philippines. So after the pandemic, I hope I can go to the Philippines immediately. And yeah, let's see. Bye bye.